Big story breaking right now. India has struck back. Operation Sindoor has been launched. In a precision military operation, the Indian armed forces have hit 9 terrorist sites inside Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. This is in direct retaliation for the Pahalgam terror attack, where 26 lives were lost. The strikes, called Operation Sindoor, were launched just hours ago. A Defense Ministry statement said on Wednesday, and I quote, "A little while ago, the Indian Armed Forces launched Operation Sindoor, hitting terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, from where terrorist attacks against India have been planned and directed. Altogether, 9 sites have been attacked. Our actions have been focused, measured, and non-escalatory in nature. No Pakistani military facilities have been targeted. India has demonstrated considerable restraint in selection of targets and method of execution. These steps come in the wake of the barbaric Pahalgam terrorist attack, in which 25 Indians and 1 Nepali citizen were murdered. We are living up to the commitment that those responsible for this attack will be held accountable." In a post on X, the Additional Directorate General of Public Information, Indian Army, posted an image that read Operation Sindoor with the text #Pahalgam terror attack, justice is served, Jai Hind. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh too posted on X and said, "Bharat Mata ki Jai." The Additional Directorate General of Public Information posted on X, and I quote, "Pakistan violates the ceasefire agreement by firing artillery in Bhimber Gully in Poonch Rajouri area." The Reuters news agency, reporting from Muzaffarabad in POK, said multiple explosions had been heard. It quoted a spokesman for Pakistan's military telling broadcaster RE that India had attacked Pakistan with missiles in 3 places and that Pakistan would respond. New York Times reported that residents of Muzaffarabad also reported hearing jets flying above. They said that a site in a rural area near Muzaffarabad that was once used by Lashkar-e-Taiba appeared to have been targeted in the strikes. A spokesman for the Pakistan Army said that 2 other places had also come under attack. One was Bhawalpur in Punjab province, the site of a religious seminary associated with Jaish-e-Mohammed, and the other was Kotli, a city in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Now, earlier in the day, weighing its response to the Pahalgam terror attack, the government was learned to be working on a multi-pronged military strategy to re-establish deterrence against Pakistan's hostile behavior. This was the main and clear brief given to the military and security establishment by the political top brass over the last week of consultations. The process sources had told the Indian Express would look at all credible options, including a military retaliation, but the objective of re-establishing deterrence was firmly set. There was a growing realization within the top levels of the government that the deterrence established by the Balakot airstrike in February back in 2019 had worn off, and it was time to re-establish that, the source said to the Indian Express. Wednesday's development follows a series of high-level meetings of Prime Minister Narendra Modi with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, IF Chief Air Chief Marshal AP Singh to discuss operational preparedness and retaliatory options on the table. Modi also met Defense Secretary R.K. Singh on Monday to discuss critical policies and purchases concerning the armed forces. At the tactical level, the Army has bolstered forward defenses along the borders, while additional strengthening and preparations are underway to tackle any cross-border action. Stay tuned to the Indian Express for more news updates. Thank you so much for watching.